Hi, it's Ulianka and today I have Kraze FX palette for you to show. This palette is called Fundamental Small 6 Color Palette and each container has 6 grams of paint. Before we start, please like, subscribe and click the bell button to know when I post. I make a variety of time lapses, makeup tutorials and product reviews. So if that's what you enjoy, this is the channel for you. The set also contains a round brush, and what I like about this set is that you can disconnect the containers from the box and you can hold the container in your hand. What is strange about this palette, what I thought at the beginning, is that there is no green color in it. Instead they put pink in there. But then I found that there is another palette which instead of pink has green, so it depends what colors you need more. You can choose to buy a different palette to try these colors. Speaking about Kraze FX paints, I really like their paints. They're creamy, they're very opaque and lovely colors. I've tried them before and I really like how they behave. So what I'm going to do today is to apply the paint with sponge first and then do some line work. I want to extend the possibilities of this palette and check what colors you will receive when mixing yellow and blue, and then blue and pink. And don't take me wrong here, I want to achieve green and purple. It's just I want to see what tones they are and how bright they are when we mix these colors. And what can I see here? The blue is really strong, so I need to use quite a lot of yellow to achieve green color. And this green is not like very bright, but it's nice grassy color. For purple color, I'm using pink and blue is just a little bit of the sponge that I already have, because I don't want to use too much. The blue is really strong. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! If you are on Instagram, pop into one of my accounts and say hello. I do arts and crafts, face painting, creative makeup and healthy food and travel. I hope to see you there!